What is going on, good people? This is Cam with Elevated Lawnscapes, and we are back at it out here in the yard again. Not a whole lot of information in this video. All I gotta say is I really enjoyed this mow that I just put down. As you can see, it is looking amazing right now. I will say the lawn is probably about to hit its peak for the season in probably about 3 more weeks, 2 to 3 more weeks. The heat is gonna be here. This is probably the last time I am actually going to strike the lawn, and I'm gonna start preparing it and getting it ready for summer. I will have videos coming on that, and I'll give you all the information of things that I'm about to start doing to make sure that my lawn is ready for the summer stress. This is what we prepare for from September up until now. At the end of May, we prepare for the hardest 3 months that are gonna be on a cool season lawn. That is June, July, and August. So get ready, people. Hold on, strap in, get those lawns ready, get your plans together for the summer. And all I gotta say for this one, sit back, enjoy this mow, because I definitely did. And hey, as I always say, if you're striving to have those immaculate lawns or garden, just know we working.